Newfoundland is the fattest province in Canada. 1 in 3 people are obese. We have the highest rates of diabetes, the highest rates of chronic disease, as well as death from cancer, heart disease, and stroke in Canada. Health outcomes in our province are among the worst in Canada. Is this alarming to you? If we hire a whole bunch of doctors, is this going to fix our problems? And is this our only solution? I ask you, is this our only solution? Our government wants us to be healthy, right? So tell me, would you consider any of these foods healthy? Cheerios, crackers, yogurt tubes, cheeseburgers, cheese pizza, sweet and sour meatballs, fruit cups, granola bars, chocolate milk, pancakes or waffles in light syrup. These are some of the foods in a breakfast and lunch program in our schools. And according to the School Lunch Association, I went on their website, they are dedicated to providing a hot and nutritious lunch. Does this sound nutritious to you? We are giving our children the wrong messages. And what about like in hospitals? I'm sure you've seen the food or tried it out yourself. How about in senior living homes? What guidelines are they following for the food that they serve for their residents, for people in hospitals? Sure, no wonder we're an unhealthy bunch of Newfoundlander and Labradorians. I'm very passionate about our health, your health, the health of our province. And I just want to state for the record, I'm absolutely not an angel here whatsoever, and I'm definitely not judging anyone who eats any of the foods that I just listed or gives it to your family. For example, my son went to school. We went out and with a bunch of family, and we had supper last night at a restaurant. And so my son's lunch today was leftover chicken balls and rice. But how about we do this instead? Let's take charge of our own health, and let's take some responsibility here. I know what I gave my son this morning was unhealthy. But I'm not saying that you've got to be perfect 100% of the time. But let's take some responsibility. Let's take charge of our health and not just feel like in order to be healthy, someone else has to do it for us. Let's stop feeling helpless if this is you, because we do have the power. We really do. We can help ourselves in so many ways. So if you feel comfortable, just close your eyes for a moment. We'll do a little visualization. And take a nice big breath in. Listen to my roosters. Eyes closed. Exhale. And remember how you felt this morning. How you felt physically, mentally, and spiritually. And then just imagine yourself right now as you walk through the grocery store. Look at the folks around in the aisles. And remember I said 1 in 3 are obese. And what about your health? Like really, seriously, how do you currently feel? Do you feel tired? Maybe you got a few pounds on. Maybe you don't. I don't know. Do you feel unhappy? Happy? What is it? How about your strength? Do you feel as you age, maybe you don't feel quite as strong? Do you have a chronic disease? Or maybe you feel like you're on your way to getting one? How do you actually feel right at this moment? Physically, mentally, and spiritually? Keeping your eyes still closed. Take another big breath in and a big breath out. Take as many as you like. And then let's kind of change it up a little here. Now imagine when you wake up and your toes touch the floor, but this time you feel confident and you feel strong and you're really ready to tackle your day. Really feel this now in your bones. And imagine what your desired body and your mind feels and even looks like. And maybe you might like to put some words to your desired body and mind. Do you feel powerful? Do you feel happy? Joy? limitless. I love this one, boundless. So really visualize and really feel it. It's really important. Feel how your desired body and mind is. Maybe you take another big breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes. Didn't that feel great? So I'm on a mission, and I need your help. Can't do it alone. There's power in numbers. We can do it together. And no more waiting or thinking that someone else has the power to improve our health. It helps. We do need people. Yes, we do. But how about we work on transforming our own health so that we can also impact the health of our province? Imagine that. Let's start at home with ourselves. We can work with our families, and we can be an inspiration to our communities. And I do know that there is so much information out there. Go online, it can be overwhelming, it can be confusing, and I just want to say that I don't pretend to know it, all of it. I know some, but not all. And I'm just coming basically from my own lived experience, and I still continue to learn and to learn and learn every day. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed and helpless, just know that these feelings are completely normal at the beginning of any journey. But I want you to really know that I genuinely want to help you to go from where you currently are, right at this moment, to where you want to be. Remember that desired feeling and look of your body and your mind. So by gaining knowledge and, of course, taking control of your health, this is the first step towards, as you know it, lasting change. You got to start somewhere. And you really can make a significant difference in your own life. You can. You, all by yourself. So with the right tools and support, which maybe you didn't have it in the past, maybe you did, I don't really know. But when you take charge of your own health, you will feel empowered and confident, inspired. I know I do. You can have a positive impact on your family, your community, and together we can help change the health of our beautiful province that we all love so very much. So here's to your opportunity right here, right now, to look and to feel your best. Get ready for this one. For the first time ever, I'm going to be launching a 100-day whole body wellness program. You heard that, 100 days. Now, I want to be perfectly clear here. This program, I'm not claiming at all. It's going to fix all of Newfoundland and Labrador's healthcare problems, the healthcare system. I'm not saying that. I'm not making that claim because that is so very complex. I'm just asking you right now, honestly, can you improve your own health right here at home? Just, what's the answer to that? Yes, no? Are there steps that you can take to improve your own health, even by what you put at the end of your fork? Imagine that. What about some movement? If you answered yes to the question, then I ask you to take this first step and join me on Sunday to begin a program. And we're going to start the beginning of this program with a 10-day reset. It's free, and you've got absolutely nothing to lose, and it's a great way to start your health journey, especially in the company of others. So to change where you are now to where you want to be in these next coming up 10 days afterwards, how you want to feel in 1 month, in 3 months, 1 year, or for the rest of your life, I hope that you will join me for the 10-day reset to start that. So let's just take a moment one more time. Close your eyes and take another full big breath in. Let it fall from your mouth. And then visualize now the limitless opportunities that come with better health. Where you currently are, right at this moment, to where you want to be. Think about that. Limitless opportunities that come with better health. What are they for you? Take another full breath in and a full breath out. put a big smile on your face as you open your eyes. So what better way to kick off this free 10-day reset than by joining the province? If you haven't heard, over the last week or so, they are starting a well-being week, which starts on September the 17th, and that's when I'm going to launch the 10-day free reset. So take me up on this opportunity. I'm sure you got nothing to lose again, but everything to gain. And I'll fill you in more on my program that I'm actually calling Boundless Health NL. Remember, I said I love that word, boundless. So this is my program, Boundless Health NL. And the 10-day reset is just the beginning of this program. Again, it will start on Sunday with the opening of the province's Wellness Week. Figure it's a great time to kick it all off. So join me on Sunday, and I'll give you more information about the program. So let's start our health journeys together in community. Starting to rain a little here. Let's create our own tribe. Thank you, everybody.